sliding all night in the low. Let this bitch down, I'm about to blow. Dog being cool, he don't want no smoke. These niggas tweaking off the beam, must be smoking dope. Turn up on a nigga, smoke a nigga like a poke. Leave a nigga messing like he eating sloppy Joe. These niggas timid, so I treat these niggas like some hoes. These niggas bitches, they were born wearing pantyhose. That nigga sweet.
That was another video, Siege got kicks. Today I got these Wolf Grade 12s. I had these for a while back. I had these for like 2 years too, but I want to get a video out so I can flood more content to this channel and show y'all what kind of shoes I got. Later on, I'm gonna be doing, I think I'm gonna do a shoe collection video for y'all boys, man. Cause like, y'all deserve it. Y'all been rocking with me since day one or whatever. Y'all loyal, y'all watch my videos. Actually, I get more views than my subscribers, so I'm happy about that. That means I'm doing a good thing. I'm doing something right, you know what I mean? I wish people could subscribe. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that bell, hit that hit that bell so you can be notified. The Siege got kicks, man. You already know. But without further ado, let's get into the shoes. Yeah, you got your little beat up box, man. I had these for 2 years. But actually, I still got the retail on there. The retail was $190, but I had paid $240 for these. I had got the resale. I ain't get them when they first came out. They got a size 8. The name of the shoe is Air Jordan 12 Retro, and the colorway is dark gray, wolf gray. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to the shoes. I still got the paper and everything. I'm good on shoes. Got your quality control sticker right there. Let's get into it. Got your little regular paper. But these things, the Wolf Grade things. I wore these once already, but these shoes still look pretty nice, man. They're pretty dope. This is my favorite 12 I got in my collection right now. And this is my favorite silhouette. Y'all should know that by now. You better look at my videos. Got your gold eyelash right here, man. Follow with your all grades. They got different grades. The pattern sizes look how all of them just fall in place, man. Everything, man. Y'all know, look at that 23 on the ass, man. With that gray chop man right there. All that gold around it. These shoes are so dope, man. I love these shoes. Look inside. Got your little lighter gray with a dark gray inside. You already know. And these shoes are so dope, man. Like I can really say about these. But if y'all trying to get these, I had got these off Kicks on Fire a while back for $240. But I don't know what the price. The prices of the fluctuate. It go up and down, So I don't know what y'all gonna pay if y'all want these shoes. And then let me show you the other. Let y'all see how y'all want one time bubblegum stain. My nephew done stole my shoes, man. They're warm. I had to clean them up. They're pretty good, man. You already know. Let me get a tone for you, man. I ain't got much to say about these. Siege got kicks here, there. You already know. Get some walk by action. Just keep right up. Yeah, you already know. Slow walk by action. You know, show your little ass. Tap that ass, man. You already know. Yeah. Ain't play no games. You already know. Tommy Hilfiger. I kill any nigga here that. You stop that. Slat walk. You already know durability. Ooh, you already know. Yeah. Yellow around view. Square action. Some bottom action. You already know. Yeah, that's about it. Siege got kicks. Hey there. I just give y'all a clean review. All these real great things, man. You gotta know. Let me give you a little round view, man, if I end this off. You got your little lizard ass on there. These things is dope, man. These shoes are so like, bro, these shoes go perfect with anything. Like, when I threw some pants on, I had this little white shirt with a gray on it. These shoes, like, look so raw on feet. Especially, I got a size 8. That's, like, a common size for boys, I think. And the girls, the dykes. So these shoes sell out really fast when you wear size 8 and stuff, man. It's pretty hard. It's pretty hard to get a shoe like this, you know what I'm saying? But let's get y'all a dope review on these things, man. These things is pretty raw. And this shoe, I don't regret getting a while back. Had these shoes 2 years. And I love every minute with these shoes, y'all know. I ain't getting rid of these. No 12s. My favorite silhouette, you already know. But I ain't got much to say about these. That's it, man. You already know here that Siege got kicks.
I came back, steady scoping, wipe a nigga nose, I stay slick. I'm steady working since I made it out there, no, I ain't look back. Jail time in the Paris on lockdown, writing songs on the rack.